been slacking with the vids, you know. Had to, get some things right. Been working out of time, stuff like that. But you see, I got the tent on that motherfucker. I added the rain guards. My goddamn IG right here. Follow me on that. Man, we got the last call, 345, man. I ain't been giving no POVs and nothing, but I'm gonna have to get y'all some soon. A few little miles. I got a little wanted sticker, 5 stars. That's about it for right now. Oh yeah, the lights down here, one of them, I had to take the tent off. I gotta redo it and stuff. But the rest of them, I got a couple more to redo. Look at that. That's crazy. Now I need to watch my baby, man. I'm gonna give y'all a little POV real quick, around the city though. I'm gonna get back with y'all. See, man, I stay in the country with it, man. Country too. I need to start getting y'all some more content though, man. That's on me. I just be chilling, working. I don't too much trying to, do a video or nothing. But I support everybody that support me. See, I stay in the country, like seriously, the country. Man, if you're watching, give me some more ideas and stuff for content. I don't too much be, knowing what to do for real. I just be watching other videos. But I don't be wanting to get their ideas, I want to come like on something, only I did. school bus behind that motherfucker. No, bro.